All right, guys, here is the next, hopefully short little lecture for you that is going to talk about how to utilize the periodic table to generate your electron configurations faster. Now, the periodic table, as you can see, can be laid out into this type of fashion. You can see that the left-hand primary block corresponds to the S block. The central transition elements typically correspond to what's the D block associated with D subshells. The right-hand side primary columns or primary groups correspond to the P block or P subshells. Then, unfortunately, within the D block, you have the actinides and lanthanides, which are associated with the F subshells. We won't talk about those too much, but I just wanted to point this out. If you move forward on chemistry, these will be something that you encounter more. Here's another way of visualizing this. And this is another nice layout trying to emphasize the S block. You can see here, they've gone through and kind of now got a slightly nicer version of this, N being that primary energy level, which would be corresponding to these values here for the S block. When it comes to the D block, it would actually be right here. This is going to end up being 3. This is 4, 5, and 6. So when you start filling in this, this is 4s here. So this is 4s, and then 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, and then back up to here. This is now again 4p. This is 5p, 6p, so on and so forth. Okay. Another image that kind of nicely emphasizes that is this one here. All right. I just wanted to show you this to try to emphasize that you can utilize the periodic table if you understand how it functions to very rapidly get electron configurations. So, for example, if we are talking about this element right here, we won't even bother identifying which element that is. We will just go with this one. We'll call this our first, we'll call this our electron configuration. So electron configuration there, let's go ahead and do that one. This one, of course, you always start from the beginning here. You go 1s2, see, because it goes 1, 2, then you come down, you go 2s, 2s, and it's 1, 2, because you just keep filling, 2s2, you got 2p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2p6. We continue to 3s, again, now continuing through here, because we've gone through there, We've got now 3s2, continuing now through here. This is now 3p6. We now fill here, 4s2. We now encounter our D subshell, so it now is 3D, and we keep going all the way, 3D10, 3D10, back in the P subshell, but now in the 4th energy level, so 4P6. Here we hit the 5th energy level with the S subshell, so 5S2, 4D, we continue through, 4D10, and finally we hit the 5p, and we go 5p, and we stop here because that is where we are, 5p4. That would be our electron configuration for that element. I hope this is helpful. I'm going to stop this here and move on to another topic.